Hello, my friends, and welcome to my world. Thanks so much for coming and popping in and hanging out with me for a little bit today. So, I'm here today because my dear sweet friend Gail down in Texas with the channel Southern Living has put together a collaboration for Weird Container Growing 2023. Now, this is, I think, the third annual Weird Container Growing Challenge that Gail has put on. So if you want, you can go back and check out the others. And if you have a weird container that you are growing stuff in, you can also join this collaboration. It's open to any channel anywhere in the world who has just something weird to grow in. Now, I have got a weird container, I tell you what, and I don't think anybody's going to have a weirder container to grow in than what I'm actually going to grow stuff in. So we'll see what you have, and I'm going to show you right now what I have. So here it is. This is going to be my container that I plant in. I am planting in my air fryer. So this air fryer was recalled by Kasari, oops, because they had fires related to it. So they're supposed to be sending me a new one. But oh my gosh, you just hate throwing this in the garbage, right? I don't think I can plant in there because there's nowhere to plant. However, this little guy here has got drainage. He's got something to sit in. And I know it's coated aluminum and it will rust. So what I'm going to do is coat it in paper towel and coffee filters. That will help protect a little bit at least. And I won't plant food in it because that would be bad if it did rust and I had food planted in it. Instead, after I've lined it with everything, I will put the dirt in it, and then I'm going to plant some flowers. I'm going to plant some beautiful marigolds to live in my air fryer for the summer. And there you have it. Oh, you can. I keep forgetting I can't show plants on here. They're marigolds where you can see through, when you can see through the dirt. They're actually marigolds with the green screen going on. But yeah, that is my weird container, and check this out. I just have to push the button. Oh, and it comes right out of its... Now, if that's not a weird container, I don't know what is. You can grow plants in anything. It just depends on what kind of plants you're growing. I don't know. We'll see how they do. I'll be back and update you and see how my weird container does. Thank you so much, Gail, for putting on this collaboration. It really is a great idea to bring people together, and I can't wait to see everybody's videos of their weird container gardens. I just want to say thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate you, and I'm so glad that you're here because I love sharing what's going on in my life with you. So there's that. Thank you, Gail, so much for putting up the Weird Container Growing 23 collaboration challenge. It I think that my weird garden container is going to be more weird than anybody else's garden container. So I can't wait for your videos. Make sure that you tag Gail. I will have her tagged below. Make sure that you tag Gail in your video and make sure that you hashtag it Weird Container Growing 23. Hashtag Weird Container Growing 23. If you haven't, you should subscribe because we do have a lot of fun around here, and I would really appreciate it. And I don't know what my appreciation is worth, probably not a whole lot, but I would Really appreciate it. And I also I have memberships if you wanted to become a member. I'm waiting until I only have one member so far, which makes me very sad. But I do love the Vineyard Chicks. They are like my very favorite channel, and I'm just thrilled that they are my member. And I hope to continue. I don't know. I might just have some one-on-one chat with them. But that is one of the perks of becoming a member is getting some smaller chats or some one-on-one chats and stuff like that. So if you wanna, you should do it. I think it starts at like $1, and I have two levels. Ooh, one that's super special, but the first level starts at 99 cents, so you can't beat that deal. Support my channel and keep me running here. Yeah, and then whatever else you want in your title, but make sure that that's in there. Make sure that you tag Gail, and I would love it if you would tag me too, if you decide to get into it. There are all kinds of things that you can find laying around. I got another weird container that I'm gonna have to show you, and I don't know if I can enter twice or if this is it. I'll have to check with Gail about that. Anyway, thanks again. I do love seeing you, and I'm so happy that you're here. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.